Assalamualaikum. As you can see in the video, there are 4 strategic thrusts that has become a foundation in the development of CITP in Malaysia, and 2 of them are going to be discussed today, which are regarding the element of productivity and quality. So before we can go into detail on how we can improve the level of productivity and quality in the construction industry in Malaysia, let's see what is productivity and quality all about. So firstly, have a look on productivity. So what is productivity? So actually, productivity is a comparison between output achieved from a process or system and the inputs required to produce it. So here is about the relationship between output and input. So what is output and what is input? So as you can see in the slide, output refer to the buildings or infrastructure, which is our end product. Meanwhile, input is the resources required to generate those outputs. So for example, like we are going to produce building, which is our end product. And in order to complete the building, we need an input in the form of resources, for example, like workers, materials, machineries, and etc. So that's what we call it as input. So basically, output delivers income while input incur costs. So means that at the end of the day, after you complete your building, you get an income. So before that, you need to spend first. So you have to spend on your input in the form of paying the staff salaries, pay the suppliers for your materials, or maybe some of the machineries you have rented before. And in other words, productivity is quite related to the level of profitability that you can get from your projects. So it means that the more productive your project is, the more profit you can get from your projects. Okay, so for the time being, our construction industry has a lot of productivity problems. So it means that actually, even though we are gain profit from our current practices, actually we can get more. So that's why we need to focus on improving the level of productivity in the construction industry. So meanwhile, we are talking about quality. So quality is a common issue nowadays, not only in Malaysia. It's one of the key global market advantages. Okay, means that if you want to venture abroad, you need to have a good quality of works. So the awareness of quality in Malaysian construction industry has improved, but not that much. As you can see, still there are still a lot of projects in Malaysia that have a lot of issues regarding quality. Okay, so some quality certification that we have in Malaysia is, for example, ISO Malaysian standard, and if you know about QLASIC, okay, quality assessment system in construction. So it means that nowadays we can measure the quality of work from your construction projects. When we talk about quality, we can refer to the mindset. Okay, basically mindset of the client, of the customers. Okay, regarding the mindset of the customer, I'm not to worry about that. We are more concerned about the mindset of the clients, whereby they need to be more educated, because currently cost is the main concern. Okay, perhaps quality has been put under not on the list sometimes. Okay, the major concern is more about the cost. So we need to do something in order to shift the mindset of the client, because if you focus on the more on the quality, you get along more on the long-term benefits. Okay, so you need to create the awareness. You need to create a lot of programs in order to make sure that the clients give more priority towards quality.